Do you know this symbol? It's O sound. It's short and quick. For example, book, not book. Your lips slightly rounded, not tight. Repeat after me. Book, cook, should, hook, pull, could, good. Follow for more English tips. Do you get confused? O versus U sound? Let's fix it. It's short and quick. U is long and tense. Let's compare. Good, food, should, shoot, push, blue, bull, boot, put, pull. Do you say this instead of this or that? Let's fix that. Today's sound is V. It is voice sound. Stick your tongue between teeth and vibrate V. Practice with me. This, not this. That, not that. These, not these. Those, not those. Can you differentiate these two TS sound? First is that. For example, thick, thin, thought. Second is that. This is the voice and you'll feel vibration. For example, this, that, they. Can you pronounce this sound? It's not honest, it's honest. And this one. It's not Iceland, it's island. And this. It's not castle, it's castle, castle. And this. It is not debt, it is debt. And this one last. It is not doubt, it is doubt. How do you pronounce this sound? It's very sweet and there is no vibration in vocal cord. Like repeat after me. Some, yes, sweet, strategy, school. How do you pronounce this sound? It's sh sound. Your lips should be slightly rounded and there should not be vibration in your thought. Like shh. For example, ship, sheep, she, fish, wish. Can you differentiate these two sounds s versus sh? For example, sip, ship, see, she, sign, shine, sell, shell. Follow for more English tips.
Commence. It's a verb. Meaning is that to begin or start something. Example is that the ceremony will commence at 10 p.m.
Do you know this sound? It's zh sound, like measure. More example words like treasure, pleasure, vision, garage. Say with me. I found treasure in the garage. Can you pronounce this sound? It's R. How do you pronounce? What to do? You have to keep your tongue a little bit curly and back and pronounce R. Like roof, run, read. How do you pronounce this sound? It's What to do? Keep your tip of the tongue upper teeth and pronounce L. For example, love, lost, letter, level, lonely. Difference between R and L. Practice with me. Road, load, rock, lock, ray, lay, rate, late. Follow and subscribe for more English tips.